This is a washing machine. It belongs in an appliance group. It washes clothes. It's large and white and looks like a square. It's made out of metal and some plastic. You could find it in someone's laundry room or in a basement. It keeps my clothes nice and clean. This is a washing machine. What group does it belong in? What does a washing machine do? What does it look like? What is it made out of? What parts does it have? Where else could you find a washing machine? What else do you know about a washing machine?